The Balearic island of Majorca's southernmost town, Cala is renowned for its Ibizan-style architecture and Parisian coves with turquoise waters that are encircled by pine forests in the center of the Mediterranean. It is the largest resort in the municipality and is situated in Sant'Ani. It features a variety of restaurants, stores, bars and pubs, as well as a significant marina that fosters a vibrant atmosphere. Once you arrive, you will see that the cube-shaped structures are just 2 stories tall, and that the location's unique character has been retained thanks to the stringent rules that govern hotel construction. The hamlet, which is divided into central Cala d'Or, Cala Ferrara and Cala Igos, boasts a variety of amenities and family-friendly attractions, including a small train that travels through the neighborhood. The turquoise-colored beaches and coves are simply amazing. Along with swimming at the Cala d'Or beach, other options include Cala Gran, Cala Sirena and Cala Esmeralda, the latter 2 of which are ideal for families with young children. Additionally, Cala Igos has a natural swimming pool surrounded by rocks if you're seeking for one. Along with Cala Figuera and the renowned Cuevas del Drac, which hosts classical music performances inside the caves itself, the picturesque Mondragon Natural Park, where you may stroll one of the routes to witness the many different bird species, is also close by. Tourists refer to Cala d'Or as the small Ibiza, presumably because Ibizan artist Josep Costa is responsible for much of its allure. When he was in Majorca in 1930, he came across an area that had not been yet developed, and he intended to turn it into a meeting place for himself and his fellow artists. He purchased a piece of property that was home to nothing but pine trees, distinctive Mediterranean rocks and a clear blue sea. From that point on, he began to construct modest white houses with wooden beams and arches without detracting from the natural beauty of the surroundings. The spirit that Josep Costa was searching for is still there in Cala d'Or almost a century later.
So what have you been sitting there and thinking all this time? Oh, what's your mindset? Been telling you to make you believe that the right guy.
While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. Among the water sports available in this region of Majorca are scuba diving, snorkeling, surfing and paddle boarding. One of the most significant marinas on the island and one of the most picturesque in the Mediterranean is Cala Longa, a natural harbor that belongs to Cala d'Or. You can stroll around here and take advantage of the numerous pubs, restaurants and chic boutiques. If you are feeling adventurous, you could even rent a sailboat and enjoy alternatives like a Mediterranean meal. Also, you can play golf on a course with views of the bay, or ride a horse or a bicycle on a tour on the Mondragon Natural Park. 5 modest but lovely beaches make up Cala d'Or. They are all tucked away in tiny bays, flanked on all sides by cliffs. The middle Cala Gran and the northern Cala Ferrera are the two largest beaches. Cala, like the town, and Cala Sirena are both small, while Cala Esmeralda is medium in size. All 5 beaches have good sand, and you can even hire parasols and sun loungers. The water is a stunning blue color and remarkably transparent. Whichever beach you decide to visit will be ideal for a swim. In the peak season, space is few, so it's wise to arrive early. Alternatively, you might rent a car and travel to one of the nearby natural beaches, like the sizable Samarador or Cala Sanau to the north of the town.